In this video, how to turn off or disable the Save Data pop-up in Microsoft Edge. First, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to the Profiles section. Scroll down and select the Personal Info option. From there, click on Settings. Alternatively, you can access this page directly by typing the following URL into the address bar and pressing Enter. Under the Personal Info category, toggle off the switch labeled Save and fill basic info. The changes will be saved automatically. As you can see, the Save Data pop-up is now gone. The second way, in an enterprise environment, we can configure the settings using group policy on all company devices. As you can see, once the policy is applied, the settings would be configured automatically. In some cases, the Microsoft Edge is not available in the Group Policy Editor. To do this, you'll need to manually download and install the Microsoft Edge policy template. First, open the downloaded CAB file and extract its contents to a zip file. Then, extract the zip file. Navigate to the Windows folder inside the extracted folder. Open the ADMX folder. Copy all the ADMX files from this folder into the Policy Definitions folder on your system drive. Next, go back to the ADMX folder and open the subfolder for your language. For example, if your language is English US, open the ENUS folder. Copy all the ADML files from this folder into the corresponding language folder within the Policy Definitions directory. ADML files are localization files that pair with their corresponding ADMX files. As you can see, Microsoft Edge is now available for configuration in the Group Policy Editor. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.